guys, we're exploring our hotel and we found the relaxation room. Guys, the massage chairs are not as relaxing as I thought, although I did click rejuvenation. And now this chair is like in a permanent laid back position. Hey guys, today Yvonne and I actually decided to explore our hotel. This one had a bit more features than the other one. This one had a few relaxation rooms, a gym which we didn't use, that massage room which you kind of saw footage of, and a rooftop garden which is this next clip. Afterwards, we went to Tokyo Station to meet up with Quentin, and then we also exchanged our JR passes which we bought before the trip. That one is for the next 7 days of the trip, not this one. At this point in the trip, we were using regular train tickets and also our 3-day Tokyo wide pass, which I have no footage of. There's no train footage for this. You just keep looking at gardens while I tell you this. Apple cinnamon taiyaki. Chorizo sausage. Grape! Do I do the ASMR bit? I don't think it'll work. Is it any good?
So far it just tastes like a Ritz cracker.
Oh, right.
She's only tasted the cracker part of it.
There she goes. There she is. My family will love all this footage of all these tourists. Look at the multitudes of tourists, everyone. So this shrine in Kamakura, along with the museum, a couple ponds surrounding it, and a few other buildings, is actually quite large. I would suggest that you go here and go to the museum. It wasn't that much money to go into the museum, but you aren't allowed to film in there, so I have no footage of it, because I didn't want to be yelled at. This guy looks like he's about to tell me how radios work, but do it wrong. Sir? Sir? Hey there, guys. Have you ever been wandering around and wanted to be narrowly pooped on, but not quite pooped on? Well, have I got an experience for you. So this is a pond at the shrine where you can come and feed the birds and the fish. You can buy the little bags of food there, but I gotta warn you, they will surround you with wild abandon. Look at how they surround Quentin with no shame, even landing on him. They didn't leave him alone until his bag of food was empty. I don't know how much of this is relevant for you guys to see, so I'm just gonna show you guys all of it because I can't cut down my footage. Fish splashing. By the way, about these fish, they will come and beg for food as well, and I hate it. I hate how their mouths gap open. Look at this. Look at this. What is it?
Yes, you have.
You're becoming too much.
Oh no.
They're all gone. They're all gone. I'm sorry. They're all gone. I have no more.
Guys, I really like going to Japan and seeing a lot of Japanese culture and seeing a lot of Japanese historical figures such as Sherlock Holmes. So this is probably one of my favorite meals when we were in Japan, and not just a salad, there's also steak. I really liked watching them just cook it, and it wasn't the best tasting steak that I've ever had, but it was a really good tasting steak that I had. But it was one of my favorite because just the customer service, they were really nice, really respectful. We've previously gone to a sushi restaurant that wouldn't serve me because of the cross-contamination with my shellfish allergy, which is understandable. So coming into here, I was very hungry, they were very nice. Every time that they had a newer ingredient, they were like, hey, can you have this? And they made sure it didn't touch the steak if I couldn't. And it came with little side dishes, and I just really liked this. Rounding out our day, we all went back to Tokyo, and Yvonne and I went to go get dinner. I think we went to 4 restaurants before one would actually feed me food because of my allergy restrictions, and the Korean restaurants came in clutch. They even reduced the price a little because they couldn't serve me some of the dishes.